Hello, what a wonderful Sunday. Welcome me back. Okay, what a wonderful day po sa bawat isa sa atin. Today is Sunday again. Let's talk about the presence of God. Every Sunday is always linked up to His presence. Presence in the worship of the Lord, presence in seeing His power moving, no? Especially every time we go to the church. So sometimes we tend not to go to an online service, but I encourage everyone, even in the Bible it says, come into the sanctuary of the Lord. Meaning it is really a place where when there is the people gathered together and a family of faith worshiping God, there is still power in doing that. So I encourage every one of us to take a step of faith, get out of your house, worship the Lord, and I will believe that there will be a miraculous presence of the Lord that will come to you. Bye bye.